Hello, hello, Shay here. Oh boy, do we have a stunner, absolute stunner for you today. I have been waiting to unbox this for you guys, and this is the day. So, of course, without further ado, we have a Munimade Monday release for you guys, a brand new diamond painting video from Munimade. Now, again, my name is Shay. Like I said at the beginning, I do have my own YouTube channel. I do partner with M from Munimade, and we make these videos together. But if you would like to check out some more diamond painting content, come hang out with us over there. My channel will be linked down below, and that is Crafting with Shay. I would love to have you. So come on over. You might even see me working on this. I am definitely keeping this one. This is a keeper. So let's get into this, okay? First of all, I can't even with this painting. I'm just like, I'm in awe right now. Now, this is the first time I have ever unboxed a painting from this artist. So I'm very, very excited. That's another reason why I love this one, because I need one from her. The name of this painting, let me just go ahead and use this sticker sheet for reference, is called Breath of Azure. And it's by the artist. Of course, it's licensed artwork. All Munimades are. And that's by Michelle Xia. And Michelle, has some beautiful artwork. Now, this one, for all you square lovers, is a square diamond painting. So it's got square drills, and it is a 50 by 70 in centimeters, and there's the SKU number. Now, like I said, this entire thing is a sticker sheet. So what I do is just cut this off, put this in my logbook, because it's got the artwork on there, the original artwork. And then you've got your stickers here. Now, the stickers are individually cut, so you can just peel and stick and put them on your storage containers. Now, there are 39 colors, so not a lot of colors. And there are also some extra labels here. And you can see there's some special highlighted ones here. These are all the special drills. So we have one, ND signifies shimmer. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shimmer drills, and then 1, 2 ABs, Aurora Borealis, and that's a heavier coating. We're gonna go ahead and look at all these ones and see where those go, okay? But this one is amazing. Now, if you are new with me, I am a mermaid fanatic. That's probably putting it lightly. I love mermaids. So to me, we'll just take a little look at the canvas. Now she's pretty long, so I couldn't fit the whole thing in frame, but you can see her blue hair. Now let's talk about the name of the painting, Breath of Azure. So Azure in English actually means different shades of the blue color. So look at, even back here, you've got navy, you've got 939, which is a darker color. There are 310, which is black, but look, I lost a pack of drills, but look at her hair. So to me, she looks like a mermaid, right? You see the bubbles. Look at these fish. I'm not sure if these look like koi fish to me, maybe goldfish. You guys let me know. Let us know down in the comments what type of fish you think these are. I love this painting. I think she's under the water. She's got the blue hair. I am absolutely here for this artwork and for this artist. So, sorry, I'm just grabbing that pack of drills that I wanted to show you guys. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about this also. All the Munimade paintings do come with, I call it my handy dandy, I need a name for it. Handy dandy strap. Let's call it that. It does have this elastic little strap here. This card, it's a heavy card stock, and you can see it's got the sticker with the original artwork, all the information right here. You can even write things on the back. What you can do with this is, this actually will keep your painting rolled up if you want to wrap it around your painting and have it hanging off your shelf so you can see what painting it is. You can even put it in your pack of drills if you store your drills separate. You can hang it off your telescoping art tube. There are so many. I even have it sitting up in my caddy that Munimade is now selling, 3D printed module caddy, because I know what my whip is at the time. So it's just so fun. There's so many different ways to use it. So if you have any other ideas, let us know. But that comes with all the paintings. And then of course your sticker sheet and then the drills. But let's go ahead and take a tour of the canvas before we look at the drills. So you've got Munimade up here. And then you do have a legend on the bottom left. And like I said, there's 39 colors. You do have a thumbnail with all her information there. And then of course we want to support the artist, so go check out Michelle's IG page. There it is right there. And of course there's Munimade's website. And then you have one other legend with a thumbnail on the top right, depending on where you are in the diamond painting, okay? So again, I kind of showed you the top, but let me just scooch up a bit. Oh my gosh. She is just beautiful. I love the profile, all the blues with the pop of orange or the fish, the bubbles. It is just a beautiful painting. So for all you square lovers, possible mermaid lovers, fish lovers, water, blue lovers, this one's for you. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the drill colors. Here's the pack of drills, okay? I did pull out, like I said, the special ones. They do come individually bagged and in order. So if you want to work straight out of baggies, you can do that. You can just pull them out of here and just pop them in a container and just start working straight out of the Ziploc bags. It does have the SKU number in case you want to store them separate. Like I said, you'll know what goes to what. Some people will hang these up and put these in a different bin. But yes, you've got all the colors there nicely lined up. So of course there's going to be a lot of blues, right? Different shades of blue, and then also some greens, oranges for the fish. Love the color palette. Just beautiful. And then of course our special drills, which we are going to cover. So let's see. So I said shimmer if you're new. So shimmer is just a lighter coating. So the first shimmer is going to be 208, and we'll take a look and see where all these go. Then we've got a different shade of, we've got 211, different shade of purple. We've got 602, which is a pink, 798, which is a blue, 827, a lighter blue. Got to have 3865, always got that white. Ooh, we've got our two ABs, orange, 722, and a 3841, which is like a teal, kind of like a seafoam green, I should say. Yeah, so let's go ahead and see where these go. Also, drop us down in the comments if you have a painting from this artist. Let me know if you have one of Michelle's other paintings, because Munimade does have, she's not a new artist to Munimade, she does have other paintings from this artist. So let me know if you have anything from her. All right, so let's go ahead and start with, where are we gonna start with? 208, we're gonna start with our purple, okay? 208 is a very, very fun purple color. Like I said, that shimmer is a very, very, it's a very faint, kind of light dusting of that really pretty, that is really, really subtle, which I love. I'm really falling in love with shimmer. So this one is that symbol, whatever that is. Okay, so purple, I'm seeing it in the bubbles here. Kind of like in here, the bubbles. So it's gonna highlight these bubbles. And let's see, we're scooching. I see it in right here, kind of in the fish's fin. I see some here in the fish. Wow, there's gonna be a lot. Okay, I also see some in her hair, like, or yeah. Oh no, this is again in the fish. Yep, so the fish are gonna have it in there. And let's see, more fish. Yep, more in this fish. I love these fish. In here, in this tail of the fish. So yeah, it's gonna be in the fish and then some of these bubbles. Yep, so that's where this 208 shimmer will be. Now this next one is at 211, like I said, a little bit lighter, and that's the dollar symbol. Let's start at the top again. A lot of times when you have one purple, you'll have another purple next to it. But in this case, that is not true. Nope, I don't see any dollar signs. Dollar, dollar, dollar. Where's my dollars? Y'all, this is the first time in a while I have not actually like pre-looked at everything. I just wanted to kind of wing it. Oh, I know why I can't find it. I'm actually looking for purple. This is almost like, when I'm looking far up here, it's almost like a lighter purple, and so I was kind of missing it. So I do see it right here. So it's going to be a part, is that the part of the fish's fins, like his tail right there. Also here, oh, these fish are really going to be fancy. These are fancy fish. You're very, very fancy, you little fish. Right here, and this guy. Here. Yeah, the fish are going to be like, I thought it was going to be her, but it's going to be the fish. Ooh, okay, I see you. I love the charting that's done, the renderings for this. That's really, really perfect, because we can see her, right? I mean, and I'm sure she's going to have some stuff, but the fish are what are going to pop. I love that. Ooh, I bet this is going to be in the fish too. So 602, that's the lightning bolt sign. Oh, yes. I see some lightning bolts here. And here, just a little bit, just a touch of a little hot pink. And the fish, our little fishies. Yeah, let me know, what kind of fish are these? I'm gonna say goldfish. I think koi fish, yeah, these are goldfish. Koi fish are like longer, right? And they're like spotted. Yeah, these are goldfish. These are like big goldfish. Yeah, so it's gonna be in the pink of the fish. All right, so this one might be in here. This is a blue. So we've got 798 shimmer. So I do see this dark blue symbol, which I think, yeah, it's blue, but it's not going to be super dark. So it's in here in the fish. And one of these fish are fancy. We're going to call these fancy fish. all in the fish over here. Oh, they're gonna be in the bubbles. So again, yep, in this bubble, I see, oh, there's a lot down here. All right here, and here's and under his belly, and under his belly. Oh, I see some right here. So the bubbles are gonna pop too. Okay, because that's a bubble here. All right, I love when I'm surprised. This is kind of fun to not like do too much research beforehand. So 827, I hope y'all don't mind. So 827 is this kind of baby blue, let's say. That's this arrow. All right, y'all, this baby blue is going to be in her hair. I do see some. Okay, so yeah, they've got some, there's some right here in this lighter blue, and kind of to give you different shading right in here. And let's see. I see some here, there. I also see other patches down here. So yeah, there's definitely gonna be a lot of this, like some of this baby blue kind of in her hair to kind of highlight some areas. Okay, that's perfect. All right, our last shimmer is a little bag. It's $38.65, so it's gonna be probably in a little area. It's got the 2 dots. Maybe her, okay. Y'all, these fancy fish are not messing around. They're popping. These little fish got these guys in here too. I see them right here, look in the bit of his tail. These fish, y'all, right here. Yep, you got anybody? Don't see any. Okay, right here in this bubble. And yeah, so it's just a little bit of areas of white. It's gonna give us a little bit of highlight. Okay, all right, this is our 2. Now this is gonna be a fish one too, probably. So this is our other ABs. We've got 722, which is a really pretty orange. That's gonna be the X. Okay, y'all, it's gonna be in the fish's head where you see the orange there, all the orange here on these goldfish, all that orange. And ooh, in her ear. Is that her ear? Sure is, right here in her ear. Okay, it's like a little earring maybe. All right, and our last one is 3841 AB. See, it's got that heavier coating on there. This one is the diamond. Oh, I like that, right? We love that. It's in the fancy fish. Right here, this fish has got some diamond symbols. And right here in this little fin. And let me see, I probably see some more down here. Let's see. But yeah, what a fun painting. Oh yeah, down here, a little bit over here. Okay, what do y'all think? I love this. Like I said, I'm keeping this one. I've already told her I'm keeping this one. So this one's mine. So you're probably gonna see me working on this one at some point. But let's talk about a few other things that you can add to your order. So if you wanna do a premium upgrade, you can always upgrade to a 3D printed tray, which is a great way to get one of her trays. We used to tell you the color that you were gonna get, but now you get to choose your color. So there'll be a drop-down menu where you can add a tray. You can do a small in any color you want in the different filaments that are offered, and then a large, okay? So you get to do that, you get to choose that. And then also you definitely wanna add in one of the dust cover bags. These are these are a must as well. We did choose green. You'll be able to get a green because it fits the size of the painting. These are wonderful. They do have the drawstring, sides, and it just keeps, again, you can hang it from here and they're just, what you're getting, where it's from, and it's really, really fun. Look at this lime bright green. So you can add a dust cover bag to your order. And, I was going to mention too, if you do get a tray, one of the 3D printed trays, the upgrades, you will get this also a little fun organza bag with some extra goodies. There's a novelty pen, a cover minder, tweezers, washi tape, blue wax, multi-placers. So yeah, she definitely loads you up with lots of fun goodies. Now, if you don't need a toolkit, you don't need to do anything. But if you do want a toolkit, she does offer them to you for free. But to save on waste, we definitely don't want to just put them in with every order. So here's your basic toolkit that is free. Like I said, so you get the tray, the pen, 2 pots of blue wax, and some multi-placers. So that's everything you need. So you can choose to just choose that in the drop-down menu. And last but not least, another must is a telescoping art tube. These are so awesome. It's got her cute little logo on there with a diamond. Now what you can do is these just twist right off. And depending on the size of your painting, it just notches. Yep, it just notches all the way down. What you'll want to do is if you do have a long painting that you want to extend it out to, just make sure that you extend the strap beforehand And like I said, you can, change the size of your strap as well, okay? You just wanna make it longer if you're gonna be extending it out long. But again, I put my paintings in here that I'm going on a road trip with, a friend's house, airplanes. I've actually mailed people paintings in these. I put my completed paintings in these. I love mine. And again, you can hang your card that's got all your information off of here, and you can see what you have. So I would definitely add one of these to your list. And also, if you add one of these telescoping tubes, you will, the painting will come in this and it'll be nice and safe, okay? Now, if you are watching this and, if it is sold out for some reason, definitely, and for this one and any other paintings in her shop, do the notification for email, when it's back in stock, because she does restock, and that way you'll get that reminder, okay? And you'll know that it's time to order. So what do y'all think? Do you love it? Do you love it? Oh, I love it. Y'all know I love it. This is so fun, different, unique, beautiful. I'm here for it, so I'm here. So if you're here for it, which if you're still listening to the sound of my voice, this is available now on Munimade.com. Go, 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 go grab it. Happy dime painting. Give this video a thumbs up. Come check me out. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye guys.